Almost everything has been arranged. Now you would like to know where your goods are. You can view the positional data of your shipments at any time, regardless of which service provider you're working with, as long as this service provider grants you tracking permission. Please send a request directly with your digital order. Your service provider will then be able to grant tracking permission to you. You will no longer have to click between different applications, and you will always have access to the positional data of your transports. Not only that, the transparency provides you with increased security during the entire transaction.